Hello everybody and welcome again on this glorious morning at AMT Specialist Cars here in Leeds. Starting in front of you this morning, a black Audi A6 S-Line. This is the 40 TDI, an 1868 plate. This only covered 28,000 miles. You can see there it's finished with a 5 twin spoke 19-inch alloy wheel. Previously glassed from the B pillar backwards. And if you have a look in there, it's got that new double touchscreen, which just looks stunning. Finished with half leather and half Alcantara. Car's in fantastic condition. And it has also got 2-stage memory electric seats with heated function as well. Fine example of a car. Can't see this hanging around for too long. So please give any member of the sales team a call. We're all on hand to look after you. Welcome any part exchange, and we'd love to make an appointment for you to come and see this car in the flesh. Thank you again for watching, and as always, please like and subscribe. We look forward to speaking to you soon.